Hi, I'm Doug Psaltis of Eat Well Hospitality. We're in Logan Square, Chicago at Andros Taverna. Andros is a restaurant we opened 3 years ago now. It's kind of a story of my heritage, a modern Taverna of the restaurants I grew up going to in Athens and Astoria, Queens. Really fresh stuff. We fly in our fish from the markets in Europe, cook it over live charcoal, really beautiful, crisp vegetables. Growing up around restaurants was all I knew. My grandfather had a diner in Queens. I'd spent some time there as a kid. Our Sundays were filled with family and a family dinner. I think what really the catalyst of it all was kind of a little bit about the hospitality, a lot about working together and about kind of sitting down together and kind of enjoying things. So really getting a chance to kind of celebrate dishes and wait all year for some things that were quite seasonal. You know, the cuisine at Andros Taverna is straightforward Greek. Some of our real stands out that we're going to chance to take a look at today is our meze collection. 3 of our most popular spreads, great crisp vegetables, and some small kalamakis that are cooked over the live charcoal, served with our popular pitas. As well, we'll have a chance to kind of really take a look at our beautiful octopus. Octopus from Spain, simply grilled over charcoal, finished with a lot of lemon, really bright, fresh. You know, it really is the epitome of the food and cuisine here. It's 2 ingredients on a plate, very simple and straightforward, just about quality and execution. Traveling to Greece was always eye-opening for me, and the story that we wanted to tell here was a lot less about just 2 of the islands that are always so popular and popularized, Mykonos and Santorini. It's the Greece that I knew and I fell in love with when I was young, and is Athens. It's the center of metropolis and cosmopolitan behavior for thousands of years. So the story we love to tell is a lot more about that city life, that way of living, and still using the best products from the local scene, all that bounty, but kind of in a more contemporary manner. At Andros Taverna, it's very important for us that this restaurant is honest, intentional, and transparent, as with all the restaurants we build. And the plates that we've chosen and the stemware and the flatware from Steelite really have those same characteristics and really help us kind of tell that story. I don't know if I even recall my first interactions with Steelite, as I've used it inherently for the last number of years. But every time I'm looking for new plates, new ideas, and working on new concepts, it always starts with me with the plateware, the stemware, and the flatware. And I can look around at 1,000 things. We're fortunate to have the NRA show here, where I look through all these different stuff. I'm always back to Steelite. So it's become my kind of like first stop, last stop for any restaurant, anything I'm creating. As a small independent operator, Steelite has been a partner of mine and has worked alongside me to really make sure that we can afford the plates, work with them, and really showcase our food in the best way possible. I couldn't pick a better partner to work with in the flatware, plateware, and stemware.